Eine Gesamttiefe von 30 bis 40 Metern war üblich. Nahezu alle Lagerhäuser sind restauriert und zu modernen Apartments oder Büros umgebaut worden.
Warehouses were quite scarce in the 16th century. The merchants used to store their goods mostly at home, in their large attics, and also behind the houses. As trade increased, there was a greater need for warehouses where all sorts of goods could be stored, such as cloth, wood and iron, salt, spices and grain. Warehouses are, generally speaking, quite easy to recognize because they have mostly a simple spout gable. Also, it's only warehouses that have shutters in front of the windows. Just like the other Amsterdam canal houses, the warehouses too were built on narrow plots of land. They also aren't very wide, but in contrast, quite deep. A length of 30 to 40 meters was not unusual. Almost all the warehouses have been restored and rebuilt into modern apartments or offices.
Les entrepôts étaient rares.